Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the Insta360 X4 Air and Insta360 X5. These two 360-degree cameras are designed to capture immersive footage that lets you reframe your shots later, but they take very different approaches to getting there. The Insta360 X4 Air focuses on portability with its lightweight 165-gram design, impressive 8K recording, and travel-friendly form factor that easily fits into everyday adventures. On the other hand, Insta360 X5 pushes for maximum performance with larger 1/1.28-inch sensors, dedicated pure video low-light technology, and a more advanced feature set aimed at serious creators. Both cameras offer waterproof construction, replaceable lenses, and the freedom to capture everything around you at once. So the big question is, should you prioritize portability and value, or invest in the stronger imaging system and creator tools? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two 360-degree cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design, portability, and durability, because these areas can have a huge impact on how often you actually use your camera. The Insta360 X4 Air is clearly built for people who want a camera that disappears into their daily routine, thanks to its compact footprint and lightweight 165-gram body that makes carrying it all day feel effortless. It slips into a pocket more easily than larger 360-degree cameras and features a large central shutter button that makes quick recording much more convenient when something unexpected happens. On the other hand, the Insta360 X5 sticks with a larger and more substantial design that feels more like a dedicated creator tool. Both cameras are waterproof down to 15 meters, which means they can handle rain, water sports, and underwater adventures without additional protection. They also feature user-replaceable lenses, making repairs less costly if an accident happens. On the other hand, the X5 adds stronger lens glass and improved drop resistance that provide extra confidence during demanding action shooting. So, if you value maximum portability and convenience, the X4 Air stands out, but the X5 earns extra points for durability and long-term toughness. Moving on to ease of use and software features, because this is where many buyers decide whether a camera feels fun or frustrating. The Insta360 X4 Air delivers a straightforward experience that is approachable even for first-time 360-degree camera users. Setup is quick, recording is responsive, and the Insta360 mobile app provides an easy way to preview footage, adjust framing, and edit clips without a steep learning curve. The smaller display can sometimes feel a bit cramped when navigating menus, but the smartphone connection helps solve that issue by giving users a larger and more comfortable interface. On the other hand, the Insta360 X5 builds on that same user-friendly foundation while offering a broader collection of creative tools. Features like AI-assisted editing help automate content creation, while Instaframe and additional shooting modes provide greater flexibility for creators who want more control over the final result. The editing experience can become demanding on older smartphones when working with large files, but the creative possibilities are noticeably stronger. That means if you prioritize simplicity, the X4 Air is extremely appealing, but the X5 is the more capable platform for growing content creators. When it comes to video quality and sensor performance, the gap between these two cameras becomes much easier to see. The Insta360 X4 Air captures impressive 8K 360-degree footage that looks sharp, immersive, and detailed in good lighting conditions. Its upgraded sensor design improves shadow detail, color reproduction, and dynamic range, which is the camera's ability to preserve detail in both bright and dark parts of a scene at the same time. Footage remains flexible for reframing, and the available flat color profile gives editors more room to adjust colors during post-production. On the other hand, the Insta360 X5 takes image quality further with dual 1/1.28-inch sensors that gather more light and information from a scene. Those larger sensors are paired with 3 processing chips that help deliver richer colors, stronger detail, cleaner textures, and a more refined look directly from the camera. The result is footage that feels more professional and remains more consistent when lighting becomes challenging. So, if you value the highest possible image quality and stronger overall sensor performance, the Insta360 X5 is the clear winner. When it comes to low-light performance, battery life, and charging, these cameras reveal another important difference in their target audience. The Insta360 X4 Air performs surprisingly well after sunset, producing footage with respectable detail and vibrant colors during evening walks, indoor environments, and travel scenes. It manages darker conditions better than many people might expect from such a compact camera. Battery life is rated at roughly 88 minutes, which is sufficient for casual outings, although carrying a spare battery is a smart idea for longer adventures. Charging through Universal Serial Bus Type-C is reasonably quick and convenient when you need a top-up during the day. On the other hand, the Insta360 X5 is designed to handle more demanding situations. Its dedicated pure video mode uses advanced processing to reduce noise and improve clarity in low-light scenes, helping footage look cleaner and more dependable at night. The battery is rated for up to 185 minutes under certain conditions, and fast charging can restore the battery to 80% in around 20 minutes. That means if you prioritize night shooting, longer endurance, and faster charging recovery, the Insta360 X5 delivers a noticeable advantage. As for my final verdict, the Insta360 X4 Air is the camera I would recommend to travelers, casual creators, and first-time 360-degree camera buyers who want excellent portability, strong 8K video, and a more affordable price. On the other hand, Insta360 X5 is the better choice for serious creators who want superior image quality, stronger low-light performance, better durability, and longer battery potential. Both are excellent options, but the right choice depends on whether you prioritize value and convenience or maximum performance. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions.